Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning. So, Venkatesh,
Yes sir.
introduce yourself.
Introducing myself. My name is K. Venkatesh. I came from AP. I graduated in Ashwapeta in BSc. My goal is any corporative but good position.
Okay, we'll go through the Java that you have mentioned in your resume. So, so how can we say that Java is secured?
Java is a programming language. Java is in developing skills in our software side.
I'm asking you how Java is secured. Why Java is platform independent?
And developing programming codes and
What are the jobs of compiler? What does compiler do?
the process of having compiler in coding language based on the compiler.
Okay, what are the types of operators we have?
Operators are the 11 types of the operators. Arithmetic, logical, relational, bitwise, shift. There are so many of the operators.
So what is the output of relational operators?
The process of the relevating. The process of the relevating.
The output of relational operators, I am asking. What are conditional statements?
The process of conditional statement is satisfied within a print of the statement. The given state the conditional statement is not satisfied in the statement. Print is not print in the statements.
What are the types of conditional statements we have?
3 types of the conditional statements.
What is the difference between if-else ladder and switch case? Can you explain me about switch? What are looping statements?
The looping statements are 3 types: while, for loop, do while loop.
So what is the difference between while and for loop?
While is the check in the statement. Do while statement in the print.
What is method?
Method is a satisfier. Method is a satisfier.
Method is
Method is a satisfied in the group of variables. Method is used to operator perform operators.
What is method overloading?
In a case of in a class of
What is compile time binding?
the process of binding method calling statement, the most calling implement statement based on the method in the from
What are global members?
global while which are doing distributed within classes.
What is the difference between static and non-static?
The static members are within discussed in the static keyword. Static, there are three types of the statics. One, static method, static variables, static intrinsic to block.
What about non-static?
The non-static members also three types: non-static method, non-static variables, non-static inheritance to block. Inheritance to block.
What is encapsulation?
Taking data and methods into single output, the encapsulations.
What is inheritance? What is known as polymorphism?
The process of changing keyword is known as polymorphism.
What is abstraction?
The process of hiding onwards to begin to growth on the confusion to process of happiness.
What are the ways we have to achieve abstraction?
The abstractions was having to based on the knowledge.
Okay, Venkatesh, you have to prepare well because whatever those things you have spoken, it's not appropriate. So please prepare well. Thank you.